Hello everyone, welcome back to Miss Fluent English. The PDF for today's lesson is in the description, so let's start. Forget to like, share, and subscribe, and practice these lines daily to improve your English. Don't forget the PDF is in the description. Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next video.
Hey! Finally, you came to the gym.
Haha, yeah. I was a little nervous.
Nervous? Come on, it's fun. Don't worry.
Everyone looks so strong here. I feel small.
Don't compare yourself. We all start somewhere.
True, but I don't know what to do first.
Let's start with some stretching. Easy stuff.
Okay, which muscles should I stretch first?
Arms, legs, and a little back stretch.
How long should I do it?
5 minutes is enough for now.
Got it. I already feel a bit tired.
That's normal. Your body is waking up.
Waking up slowly.
I hope I don't look silly. You look fine. Everyone starts like this.
Okay, what about cardio?
Treadmill is best for beginners.
How fast should I go?
Start slow. Maybe a walk, not a run.
Got it. Walking, not running.
Yes, we don't want you collapsing on day 1.
Haha, I'll try not to.
And drink water. Don't forget.
Oh yes, water is important.
Exactly. Hydration is key.
Okay, after treadmill, what next?
Let's try light weights. Chest, press, or dumbbells.
I've never lifted weights before.
No problem. I'll show you.
Will I look awkward?
Not at all. Everyone looks awkward at first.
Good to know.
Focus on form, not the weight.
Form not heavy? Got it.
And remember.
Small steps every day. Small steps. Yes, I can do that.
Let's try the dumbbells for arms now.
Okay. Do I lift with both hands?
Yes, but start light. Maybe 5 kilograms.
5 my arms feel weak already.
That's normal. Strength comes slowly.
Slowly. I like that.
Good. And don't hold your breath.
Don't hold my breath.
Yes. Breathe normally while lifting.
Haha. Okay, I will try.
Look at you. You're doing fine already.
Really? I feel shaky.
It's okay. Shaky is progress.
Wow. I didn't know shaking can be good.
Haha, yes. Muscles are working hard.
What about abs exercises?
We'll do crunches later. After warm-up.
Okay, I'm excited now.
See, gym can be fun if you take it easy. Yeah, I was scared, but now I'm ready. That's the right attitude. Attitude is everything.
Haha, attitude. I like that.
Let's finish today with a treadmill walk.
Walk? Yes, I can manage that.
Perfect. Tomorrow we try something new.
I can't wait.
Remember, compare only with yourself.
Only with myself. Got it.
Good. That's the secret of enjoying the gym.
Thank you. You make everything fun.
Anytime, my charming boy. Anytime.
Hey, are you ready to try the machines?
I think so, but I feel a little nervous.
Don't worry, I will show you slowly.
Okay, I will follow you.
Let's start with the leg press.
How do I sit here?
Just sit and put your feet on the platform.
Like this?
Perfect, now push slowly.
My legs feel heavy.
That's normal, take it easy.
How many times should I push?
10 times is enough for the first set.
Okay, 10 times slowly.
Good, remember to breathe.
Breathe slowly like this.
Yes, exactly, very good.
My legs are shaking a little.
That's great, it means muscles are working.
Really, shaking is good.
Yes, it shows progress.
What next?
Let's try the rowing machine.
Rowing machine. Never tried that.
Don't worry, it's easy and fun.
How do I sit here?
Sit down, hold the handles and pull slowly.
Pull slowly like this.
Yes, now push back with your legs.
Oh, push with legs. Okay.
Exactly, don't rush, take your time.
I think I'm doing it right.
Yes, my charming boy, very good.
Feels like my arms are working too.
Yes, arms and back muscles both.
How many sets should I do?
2 sets is enough for today.
Okay, 2 sets slowly.
Remember, focus on yourself, not on others.
Yes, only on myself.
That's the secret of enjoying the gym.
Haha, I like that idea.
Now let's try the chest press machine.
Chest press? Okay.
Sit properly, keep your back straight.
Like this.
Perfect, now lift slowly.
Lift slowly? Okay.
Yes, don't push too fast.
I think I can do this.
Yes, you can, just small steps.
Small steps every day, right?
Exactly, my charming boy.
Feels good when someone encourages you.
Encouragement is important always.
I feel stronger than before.
That's why gym is fun.
Can we try some abs exercises next?
Yes, after one more machine.
Okay, I'm ready.
See, it's not scary when you go slowly.
Haha, yes, it's actually fun.
Tomorrow we will try something new.
I can't wait.
Remember, enjoy your own journey.
Only my journey, yes?
Perfect, focus on yourself.
Thank you, you make gym easy.
Anytime, my charming boy, anytime. You look more confident today.
Yes, I feel a little better than yesterday.
That's great progress already.
I think coming here daily is helping me.
Yes, consistency is the key.
But sometimes I feel lazy.
That happens to everyone.
What do you do when you feel lazy?
I remind myself why I started.
Why you started?
Yes, your reason gives you energy.
My reason is to become fit and confident.
That's a strong reason.
But I lose motivation sometimes.
Motivation comes and goes, discipline stays.
Discipline. That sounds serious.
It just means showing up, then when you don't feel like it.
Oh, just coming to gym is enough.
Yes, showing up is already a win.
I like that idea.
Also, don't expect fast results.
Yes, I was thinking about that.
Your body needs time to change.
So I should be patient.
Yes, patience and consistency.
Sometimes I look at others and feel slow.
Don't compare your chapter 1 with someone's chapter 10.
Wow, that makes sense.
Everyone has a different journey.
Only my journey matters.
Exactly, focus on your progress.
I noticed I can lift a little more now.
See, that's improvement.
It feels good, honestly.
That feeling will keep you going.
What about diet? Is it important?
Yes, food is very important.
I eat randomly sometimes.
Try to eat balanced meals.
Balanced means what?
Protein, vegetables, and enough water.
I need to improve that.
Slowly, no pressure.
I like how you explain everything.
Because simple things work best.
Sometimes I feel tired after workout.
That means your body is working.
So tired is not bad.
No, tired is part of growth.
I'm starting to enjoy gym now.
That's the best feeling.
I think I will stay consistent.
Yes, just keep showing up.
Even on bad days.
Especially on bad days.
That's tough.
But that's where real growth happens.
I understand now.
Good, just trust the process.
Trust the process, I like that.
And enjoy every step.
Yes, I will enjoy my journey.
That's all you need.
Thank you, I feel motivated.
Always here to support you. Hey, you look different today.
Different. How?
More confident, more relaxed.
Really, I feel better too.
I can see that in your body language.
I think gym is changing me slowly.
Yes, not just body but mindset too.
I don't feel nervous anymore.
That's a big achievement.
Earlier, I was scared to even enter.
And now you walk in confidently.
Yes, I feel like I belong here.
Because you stayed consistent.
Consistency really works.
Always works if you stay patient.
I also stopped comparing myself.
That's the best thing you did.
Now I just focus on my progress.
And that's why you are improving.
I can lift more than before.
See, that's real growth.
Even my stamina improved.
Yes, your body is adapting.
I feel proud of myself.
And you should feel proud.
Earlier, I used to doubt myself.
And now?
Now I believe I can do it.
That confidence is powerful.
Gym really changed my mindset.
Because you showed up every day.
Even on days I didn't feel like coming.
That's discipline.
Discipline is stronger than motivation.
Exactly, you learned it well.
I also enjoy workouts now.
That's the best stage.
It doesn't feel like a burden anymore. Because it became your habit.
Yes, see, it's part of my routine now.
I'm really proud of you.
Thank you for helping me. You did the hard work.
But your guidance helped a lot.
That's what friends do.
I feel more confident in speaking too.
See, gym helped your English also.
Haha, yes, real life conversations help.
That's the goal, learning naturally.
I think I'm ready for the next level now.
And you will reach there step by step.
Small steps every day.
That's the secret.
Thank you for everything.
Always here.